In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use COUNTIFS formula in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure your worksheet already has the data you want to work with. Before entering the formula, it helps to understand what COUNTIFS is used for. This function counts how many rows meet multiple conditions at the same time, which makes it very useful when you want more specific results than a basic count can provide. Once your data is ready, click on an empty cell where you want the answer to appear. This will be the cell that displays the result of your formula. It's always a good idea to place the formula somewhere easy to find, especially if you'll be referring back to it later. Now begin typing the formula. Start with an equal sign, then type COUNTIFS, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, select the first range you want Excel to evaluate. You can do this by clicking the first cell in that column and dragging down through the rest of the data. Then type a comma. Next, enter the first condition in quotation marks. For example, if you want to count only entries labeled HR in a department column, type HR. Then add a closing parenthesis if you only want to count based on that one condition. At this point, Excel will return the number of rows that match that specific criterion. If you want to apply another condition, go back into the same formula and continue after the first criterion. Add a comma, then select the next range you want Excel to check. For example, if you also want to count only the HR employees whose status is marked as done, select the status column range, type another comma, and then enter done inside quotation marks. This is where COUNTIFS becomes especially powerful. It only counts rows where all of the conditions are true at the same time. So in this example, Excel will count only the rows where the department is HR and the status is done. If one condition matches but the other does not, that row will not be included in the total. As a helpful tip, make sure each criteria range covers the same number of rows. If the ranges don't match in size, the formula may not work correctly. Also, double check your spelling for the criteria because Excel looks for exact matches unless your data is set up differently. And that's it. That's how you use the COUNTIFS formula in Microsoft Excel.